One, two, one, two. Welcome to another episode of the woodworking video series. Today we want to create one of the cutest designs in the world together. Actually, two of them, the one hanging from its neck, that cute cat hanging from its neck. We are going to do this together with the student today, and in the live session, all our classes will actually be together in the live. And the one with the red bow tie is named Kambiz, and it's supposed to be a playlist of different Kambiz in various positions, which we will get to know more about later. What we are going to do now is cut our designs. We will go to Mr. Javad's workshop and choose our wood. We will cut it, and continuation of the argument. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Support us, follow our live sessions. We are going to put our classes live on YouTube and they won't be saved. In short, I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Okay guys, I want to tell you something. When we cut this and then want to choose the wood, how can we know what the thickness of our wood should be? We select the widest point of our head and measure its dimensions in centimeters. Its width is approximately 5.5 centimeters. Well, from side to side. So we take our diameter as 5 or 5.5 to get that exact thickness. It's the same for all our designs. Now this one is a bit smaller, but the dimensions are 4.5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, meaning the difference is half a centimeter. That's why you consider the widest point for our work. Let's go. We don't want to cut these opposite sides, we keep them for when carving. When we want to carve this profile, we know exactly where our material removal point is. We actually take a pattern from this. Oh wow, these are gonna be very beautiful works, especially Kambiz. Especially, look at these. This is my sister's gallery. She does marquetry here, the marquetry style. Shada will soon launch her channel, and over there you can learn marquetry. Very unique works. Master, welcome. The world of wood, the world of wood. Mr. Mady, how are you? All good, thank you. So it's a quick cut because I have a student.
MashaAllah, I become this in these 2 nights. Yes. Greetings to you. Let's go.
Sir, this saw was wide. We had to change it. We needed to make it narrower because it kept getting stuck. Master Mehdi, thank you. You're great. Goodbye. Sir, we finished the work. Let's go and settle it. I'll also tell you the price. How much did it come to? Three. Mr. Javad, how much for these 3 pieces of wood? 150. Let's go, sir.
Well, today in class I told you that we were supposed to do one with the student. This is the result. Turn it this way once. So see, it's really cool, really good. Let's go.
Well, today I want to use
a chisel for the first time in my entire career. I want to use the chisel and see how much it can help me. One of my biggest concerns is being able to listen to music, and the sound of the grinder can really affect one's mind in the long run. Let's go.
To start, the first thing I want to do is draw the profile of my cat Kambiz, of course. Then I will start with the chisels one by one. Those that can remove volume and all that I can work with, I will start. Of course, I haven't had any training. I've only watched videos on working with chisels, but I feel like I can handle it.
I hope we don't hurt ourselves at least. Let's go.
We drew one side of the issue. Just this one side is enough for us. We can start approximately right now. Let's do the 8 edges. I'm really excited about this chisel. Somehow I feel like a new door has opened for me because I've only ever worked with a router. Now let's try it together and see what we discover. Well, I don't have any educational tips to give you about what I'm doing. And what I can tell you is that I suggest you don't do this. I mean, go get trained. Don't try to use this tool self-taught.
It really feels good to me.
I mean, I can understand why people who work with chisels never go towards the grinder. They don't come as much. Most prefer the chisel because it requires it. Obviously it requires it. It feels really good. Of course, our wood is also pine wood and its strength is moderate. I mean, it can be carved and shaped very well, and this is not without effect. I'm getting into the game. I'll tell you again in 15 minutes where I've reached. Goodbye for now.
Man, my hand has started to hurt so much just getting to this point, and it's not fun anymore. You know, I realized we need a bigger chisel to use with a hammer to remove this layer. Let's start with the hammer. 8 bevels, not with these. These should be used for much smaller tasks. And I am a lathe and I want. Right now I am a lathe and I want. I'm ready, give it to me. I mean, let's arm our weapon and go to work. Goodbye.
But we definitely do some small tasks with it. I'm in a series of small tasks. We'll prepare a playlist of working with small size tools for you. What could be better than that? So don't forget to like and subscribe. Support us so we can continue like this. For you, great.
Isn't it beautiful? Really. Isn't this towel beautiful? Isn't technology beautiful?
It is. It is.
A piece of cow is one of the most important points, but many people take it out.
From these lucky stars, Kargosha and a robber.
the second form of heavy volume removal is left. Come like this, for example.
So I say, I'm mom.
Up to this point, it looks like this. It's almost ready for a bit of cleaning and preparation for details and separation and all that. Okay, dear kids, let me darken the background a bit for you. You'll understand what I'm saying better. What I did after completing the 8 main chips was to clean up a bit with a shallower drill in this shape. I prepared it a bit for this drill to clean it up with a sanding ring and get it ready for detailing. A day has passed since we started the work in that term, and for the second day, I think we worked 3 hours on the first day. On the second day, it's been about half an hour now. Well, new thing that happened is that I think I left my small collet or sanding drum at the gallery, and we have to work around it with what we have. I wanted to use this material for its eye. It's the same vase material but in a smaller size, but we have to do it with a big vase. It will work out. We will also use the sword for separating the parts so that we don't need a smaller cooler. I hope it's okay. Well, in the end, I did this with the tip of this sword. Now we'll do the rest of the separations. We'll clean up again. We'll clean again with a smaller or sharper sword. Okay guys, you see this area is cleaned up. I was cleaning up so we can finish the work. Actually, we apply the dark color and set it aside. Then we go get the red color for its bow. Then, while cleaning and organizing here, I found my small cooler. I want to show you, here it is. I found it, but I want to show you that we did the work this way with the big tool, but now I'll use a small drill on it again to improve it. Then we'll apply the dark color. Although it's good like this, I don't know if using the drill now will ruin it or improve it, but well. Okay, let's go. It's much better. Much better. Look closely. You might think that Kambiz doesn't really suit this fancy style, but well, Kambiz isn't always supposed to be so fancy. In the next design, Kambiz might be very tough and different things. In short, it's another playlist of 10 or Kambiz with different characters. I think you should like and subscribe to me and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next Kambiz videos. Okay, look, I want to make the whole thing black. Then when our red color comes, I guess it will sit on the black. And if it does, the place where we want the bow tie to be red. And now the eye that we want to be bright with... I'm a bit hesitant. Now, if I can manage to do it in a way that the eye doesn't turn black, then I'll keep it. But if I see it's hard to do and needs a small brush, I might probably make everything black. But the bow tie, for sure, will make all of it red now.